What's the meaning of bin liner? Bin liner. Bin liner.
Bin liner. Bin liner. A bin liner is a disposable plastic bag that is designed to fit inside a household bin or trash can. Its primary purpose is to contain the waste materials that are generated in the household, making it easier to dispose of them properly. Bin liners come in various sizes and strengths to accommodate different types and volumes of waste. They can be made from different types of plastic, including LDPE, HDPE, and biodegradable materials. While some people prefer not to use bin liners, they are widely used as they help keep bins clean and can reduce the amount of mess and odors associated with household waste.